Hi guys, TAMARA LINKOWSKI from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a orange dark chocolate cake. So I got my chocolate cake mix here, I put it in a cereal bowl. Now this cake, just so you know, is 136 calories, 3 net carbs, 16 grams protein, 6 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of fat, okay? And this is how easy it is to make. I just put this in my in the cereal bowl, this little packet, or you can buy it in bulk mixes on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I do a 1/4 cup of egg whites. That's a 1/4 cup. 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And what I do is the 3 drops of orange essential oil. And that's gonna give it plenty delicious orange dark chocolate flavor. You know what this reminds me of, guys? When I was little, they used to sell those balls that looked like they looked like an orange, and they had the chocolate raspberry balls and orange dark chocolate balls. That's exactly what this tastes like to me, except that was like hard chocolate. This is more of a cake. Okay, we're gonna microwave this for 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, delicious, 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 yummy orange dark chocolate cake. You can always put a drop of orange in the cream cheese frosting and spread it here. You know what? Why don't we do that? We're gonna put this, I don't like to use a lot, guys. I don't like to do super high fat. I like to do high protein and good protein, not, you know, gluten's a protein. Like you can eat gluten and it's a protein and call it keto, but it's not healthy. I get my protein from egg whites and Greek yogurt and my mixes, and that's super healthy. But anyway, I'm gonna put some of this frosting on it. And this is gonna add a little bit more calories, but you got a beautiful, rich, orange dark chocolate cake, guys. And you got it this quick. Like, it takes no time to do these, guys. We love you. If you want to see more recipes like this, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and just click on the 3 bars or click on recipes. Or you can even type it in the search bar. Just type orange cake and it'll show up, okay? And if you live nearby, you can come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.